Hello students, this is Akshita, your educator. Welcome you all on the platform of Global Online. In today's session for CLAT 2027 examination, we'll be discussing question paper of 2025. In this, we'll be discussing the questions of logical reasoning. This is the session number 2. If you haven't watched the session number 1, then please do watch it. So, we'll be discussing year-wise question paper. We have started with 2025, so we'll continue 2024, 2023 and so on. Okay, this is the passage from the question paper given to you. So let's go through the passage first, understand the passage, and exactly let us see how such big passages we should understand in the exam, and exactly कौन से question का कौन सा correct answer है, what is the approach for that. I'll also tell you that in the session. Okay, so let's go through the passage first. While a majority of homeless groups exist solely in modernized culture, homelessness remains a problem throughout the world. Everywhere there are people in constant search of food, water, shelter. Many of these people nowhere have nowhere to go and find no end or relief in their suffering. Homelessness was originally believed to be a cultural problem, but now it is revealing itself as a global problem. It's a problem suffered by all the humanity and must be faced and solved. Although this problem exists everywhere, it is more severe in certain parts of world due to different circumstances of homelessness around the world. There can be no more solution or one set of guidelines for everyone to follow. So a paragraph, what is it saying? Homelessness, that is having no home. Okay, it is a problem all over the world, not just in the poor countries. Initially, it was a cultural problem. It was a cultural problem, but now it has become a global problem. Okay, it is a problem which is suffered by all the humanity. This is something this particular paragraph is saying. Always remember, it is not necessary कि आप पूरा paragraph जो है you have to keep in mind. You have to just understand the paragraph. This particular paragraph number 1 is talking about homelessness in the world going on, where there are many people who are in search of food, water and shelter. And homelessness is something, it is a suffering, it's not a cultural problem anymore. It was a cultural problem, believed to be a cultural problem, but now it's a global problem, something which is faced by the entire humanity. This is what this particular paragraph is saying to us. Okay, earlier, many people believed homelessness was a social problem, but now it's a global problem that you have to understand. Now, even the United States constantly struggle with homelessness. Now, as we know, in this first paragraph, it was mentioned that not just poor countries are facing this problem, but countries like United States are also struggling with homelessness, despite being one of the wealthiest countries in the world. According to 2005 survey, United Nations United Nations, 1.6 billion people lack adequate housing. The causes vary depending on place and person. Okay, common reasons include lack of affordable housing, poverty, lack of mental health services, and other reasons. Homelessness is rooted in the systematic failures that fail to protect those who are not those who are most vulnerable. Okay, till here अगर हम देखेंगे, then what is it saying? That homelessness is not just about poor countries are facing those problems. No, countries like United Nations, which is the wealthiest countries among the world, okay, उनके अंदर उस country के अंदर भी we are facing the problem of homelessness. Okay, so according to 2005 surveys of United Nations, almost 1.6 billion people are there outside who don't have housing. Okay, and what we have seen, there are main various reasons, and the reasons depend upon the place and the person. These are the two the reasons we can say which vary depending upon the place or person. Why is the poverty going on, or why is the homelessness there? Because of there are no affordable houses, there is poverty. Okay, also mental health services are not well enough. Also, it is something, homelessness is something which is the failure of whatever the vulnerable people are there, we are not able to protect them. So that is the biggest failure that we are facing. Nextly, approximately 5,80,000 people experience homelessness on any given night in United States, as stated by the HUD Department, Housing and Development Department of the United States. Number of individuals experiencing homelessness vary by region. This vary by region, with urban areas experiencing the higher rate of homelessness compared to that of the rural areas. Okay, COVID-19 pandemic has exacerbated homelessness, housing insecurities, leading to increased rate of eviction, unemployment, and housing instability. So, using social distancing measures to curb the virus transmission has presented difficulties for homeless shelters and service providers in maintaining their capacity. The economic fallout from the pandemic has further strained resources and support system for individual and family experiencing homelessness. Now, this entire paragraph, agar padhne ke liye and to explain you guys, it will take time. But if you practice, this is the article which is extracted from a journal, okay, which was published on 3rd of October 2022. So if you have understanding of newspapers, if you have frequent habit of reading newspapers, then this won't be a difficult task for you. So what is important when it comes to CLAT point of view? You have to understand the keywords. What could be the important points of this? First of all, what exactly this particular paragraph has? The entire topic or the paragraph is about homelessness, that is having no home. It is a serious global problem that we are facing, and this problem got even worse during COVID-19 pandemic. This is what the paragraph is talking about. Now, also there are various reasons why homelessness exactly happens: because of no money, because of no job, houses are too expensive out there, mental illness is also one reason, okay, and eviction from their own home. Okay, so there is not one single cause, the causes vary as per and place. This is what it has been mentioned into the entire paragraph. People losing job, cannot pay rent, may lose their home. This is something. Homelessness got increased during the pandemic. Pandemic ke time pe people started losing their job, couldn't pay their rent, and that's the reason they are losing their home, and hence this particular situation of homelessness has got worsened during COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, so one line short summary to understand here is homelessness is a complex global issue. Okay, we need attention. Not only countries are involved in it, but also countries like USA are involved in this. This is what the paragraph is talking about. Now let's look at the questions one by one. Question number 85. This is what was given in the paper. For the above paragraph, which of the following statement is true? When people in industrialized civilization think of homelessness, they generally imagine third world countries when poverty is rampant. Generally, the impoverished are thought of to exist in third world countries only, but they are present even in the largest cities of the world. Homelessness increases due to major turbulence on the economic and cultural aspect, or all of the above. The correct answer for this given question is option number B. Now let's see why option number B, why not any other options? When people in industrialized civilization think of homelessness, they imagine third world countries when poverty is rampant. So this is something which is beyond the passage. Okay, and when I talk about homelessness increases due to major turbulence on economic and cultural aspects, no, we have seen many aspects over there, we have seen many reasons over there why exactly homelessness does happen, which includes poverty, unemployment, also mental illness, eviction. COVID-19 was one of the reasons again. So this is also a wrong statement, so option number B is correct answer. Moving ahead to next question, there are several causes of homelessness. Which of the following is the least likely a cause? Violence in home, loss of job or income, substance abuse, proper health care. Now, even looking at the option, we can see these are the extreme options. Matlab, these are the negative options which can be removed out. Proper health care is something, it will not lead you to homelessness, so this is the correct answer. Okay, other three are negative options: violence, okay, loss of income or job, okay, abuse, so this won't be the correct answer. Moving ahead, homelessness in case of mental illness can be amplified because of the following reasons. Okay, option A, stress of being homeless may exacerbate previous mental illness and encourage anxiety, fear, depression, sleeplessness, and substance use. Okay. Option B, people with mental illness remains homeless for longer period of time and have less contact with family and friends. Poor mental health predisposes individuals to homelessness, and homelessness exposes individuals further to particularly severe health problems, or all of the above. Now, the correct answer for this given question is option number D, all of the above. See, stress of being homelessness can actually increase your mental illness, also encourage anxiety, fear, depression. This is already given into the paragraph. Also, people suffering from mental illness will remain homeless for long period of time, have less contact with family and friends. Again, this is the correct answer. Again, given into the paragraph, very clear cut. Poor mental health predisposes individual to homelessness, and homelessness exposes individual further to particularly severe health problem. Okay, hence the correct answer is option number D. All three are correct statements over here. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Homelessness is the reference to the above paragraph can be observed more closely in the form of inadequate entertainment avenues, shortage of appropriate clothing, poor prospects for employment, inadequate medial services. Now, the correct answer for this given question is option number D, because the paragraph clearly mentions what, that it explicitly mentions that the lack of mental health or lack of medical services is something which will lead to homelessness. Entertainment avenues not necessary. Okay, okay, shortage of appropriate clothing and entertainment is not related to homelessness, and poor prospects for employment is something we can consider, but inadequate medical services is something which is more correct over here. Which of the following is not a myth about people experiencing homelessness? People who are homeless choose to be so by themselves. Okay, people experiencing homelessness are lazy. All people who experiences homelessness are addicts, and people experiencing homelessness find difficult to obtain a job. This is very true. Option number D is correct answer. Okay, so this was end of the session. If you have liked the video, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section. And before moving to next session, I would like to inform you that we have come up with a new course for CLAT exam 2027, whose new batch will be started from 20th of July 2026, that is upcoming Monday. In this, daily live lectures are conducted. Also, the recorded sessions of the same lectures will be provided to you, so that आप आपके time के हिसाब से इसको देख सके. Also, will be providing you the complete study material, 50 plus mock test, and 2000 plus question bank. This is the most important feature of this course. This will be mostly targeting the questions of those types जो exam में पूछे जा सकते हैं. ठीक है? And the course fees is just 5000 rupees for the entire CLAT preparation, which is Very valuable, I think. You can contact us on this given WhatsApp number for the enrollment of the course, or download the global online application for the same, where you can access free videos and the subscription content as well. So this was end of the session. अगर वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो ज़रूर वीडियो को लाइक करना, कमेंट करना. If you have any doubt, you can put it down in the comment section and ask me about the same. Let's move in the session number 3 for upcoming questions of logical reasoning.